Okay, this is Coach White here. We're going to be playing a throwing game. We're going to throw the sock or a couple socks. Take one giant step back. Okay, you throw it, and every time you throw it, you fold the towel in half if you make it successful. You try to do 4 of them in 1 minute. So here we go. Throw it. Save. Fold it in half. Quickly. And 4 times, so you're trying to do that 4 times in 1 minute. So you fold it once, twice, 3 times, and there's 4 throws, and attempting to do it in 1 minute from 1 step back.